Lies and promises they can't keep. Releases broken, incomplete. Money grabs at every